Hi guys, we back. It just like kick y'all on the first video. In the first video I won, but in the it's still in the first video I was in third place. So, bruh, it's just probably kicking you out or something like that. But y'all level 5. I'm not level 5. Yo, I was level 4. I was at level 4, and I don't know who killed me. I gotta go stand up for y'all. Jeez. A big battle here. I need to fight. I got two lives left. Don't have to die. They're like teaming up. Why? It's free for all. Oh my gosh, I hate these people. Woohoo! Birds versus wolves. Like the old birds versus the old wolves. The old and the new bird is going to be the teams, but the new wolf and the old wolf is going to fight. So that means it's going to be teams. 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 Gosh. I'm going to stream my... Never do that to me. I got 2 health still. I haven't died. Dang it. No, don't stop me. No. Can I have just a peaceful fight so I can just beat y'all up? Gosh. I'm gonna win. I can't win by the 5 levels of these people, which is computer people. Come on. Player 2 and player 4 has died. Player 3 fits player 1, which is me. I'm going to win. Go. Yeah. Oh, he has 1 life left. I better not die because he died. And I got 50. If he hit me a lot, man. Let's go. Let's go, guys. I'm the king. I'm the king. I'm the king. Hold on, my tower's on 5%. I did this video. I'm trying not let this to die, but let's go. Let's go. Of course, you can see who lose, who wins. Let's go, boy. Hello. If I want, I just want to check. But if it's just one person, just go closer there and tell mommy and or daddy. Because I always tell mommy. Because sometimes some people be at the door. So yeah. Let us hope. What? Whoa. Let's go. And with my piece of thing, I'm gonna throw it away. Before my tablet dies of the video that I'm making, then I gotta charge it up. That just sucks. Okay, let's leave very quick, cause I'm just going to one battle of the of the of the of the birds versus of the first is the wolf. Okay. What do I hear a knock again? As soon as you came in, that's weird. But okay, so I'm gonna be a wolf, then the wolf. And my team. No, oh my god. Hold on. I gotta be the wolf. You gotta be the old wolf. You guys, and y'all gotta be the bird. Where's the bird before my tablet dies? Ready? And you? Looks like we all ready. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win, guys? Do you think the wolves? Me? Good job. Or the birds. Comment below or just say it if I can't hear you. Hang on. Wow. Hooey. Ah, yeah. That's why. That's why I do. What do I do? I think I'm going to die. No, I don't want to die today. I want you to die. Come on. Come on. Come. Why can I not hit you? Let's go. I'll finally hit you. Are they? Ooh, look at you. Come on. No, you cannot. Gosh. Oh, yeah. Where's my wolf? Where's my wolf? I want to attack you. The wolf better win. Get out the way. Get out the way. Oh gosh, I'm all over my God. No, you can't defeat me. Oh God. How I'm still alive, even though I'm finna die with that many hits. How? Ooh, looks like the two wolves versus this new bird. Guys, this will be the end of the video today. After we kill this bird. Oh my gosh. I have one more hit left. I don't know what I'm doing. I can't see my character. Like, jeez. Okay. Kill this bird. Let's go. Guys, this is the end of the video. If you see, let me see. My toes died. Okay, it hasn't died. It's very quick for the video. So, bye. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. And Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, guys. That's the end of the video. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna be saying if you want this, I'm gonna go crazy. Bye, bye.